Good morning everyone, welcome back to another episode Unplugged EV. Not so warm Australia this morning, 15 degrees only. A bit of rain again during the night, so hopefully it doesn't rain. I washed the car, it needs to be clean on the weekend. Well guys, this morning not so good news, not about the battery, but I was reading, you go through your news feed in the morning while you have breakfast and see these comments over there. It is disgusting. Someone really asked for professional statistics from the PHEV Watchdog because he thinks it is only a minority of people who are affected by this battery degradation, and that most of the people and cars are just fine. There's no problem. And he wanted statistic. He was asking if the dog can supply statistics how many cars are actually affected by this whole battery degradation situation. And then I read on the forum this morning that someone posted a picture of the battery temperature over there and was asking, the battery is still showing 40 degrees in the morning after a night's rest. And this is a known issue with the PHEV Watchdog, of course. It shows about 20 degrees too much for the 2019 model in terms of the temperature of the cells. And people are commenting again and said, this is only one of the many faults of the PHEV Watchdog of the app. It is so great, it is so full of faults, why would you even trust it, and blah 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 shit. Oh guys, really, I don't really understand why people are constantly trying to deny there is a problem. And even if it affects only 10% of the PHEVs, it is a problem. It is a problem. And nobody should ask for evidence that this problem actually exists. We have proven this 1,000 times now. We've got almost 2,000 signatures on the petition now. So obviously 2,000 people are caring about this problem. Why are other people still saying this is all bullshit, it's not happening? It can only mean they are getting paid by Mitsubishi to say that. This can be the only reason. When they are discussing winter tires on the forums, I'm not going in there and say, who needs winter tires? Really, that's such a bullshit. It's just a waste of money. Just move into a country where you don't need some. What a bullshit. Winter tires. Such a crap. This is exactly the same. Why would you do that? Instead of supporting each other in this forum, we are all driving the same car. We've got the same interest. We are sharing the same knowledge, the same vehicle, the same car. We are making the same experience. But now these people are getting bashed. As soon as you write something about the battery or the temperatures or anything else battery related, app related, you're getting bashed. From these few, only a couple of people think they've got the right to pull everything down, to round people up in there and to deny the whole problem. I don't understand what's wrong with these guys. I really don't. Instead of standing together with them, saying, okay, there are problems obviously. There are several people reporting the same issue. Again and again and again it pops up. There might be an issue, there might be something wrong with the car. Even if I am not being affected by this whole stuff, there might be something wrong with the car or with the technology or something. I look into this, I inform myself, and then I try to help these guys out. But no, the opposite is the way. The opposite. Total denial. Yeah, total denial, and they're trying to silence the people who have the problem, who are posting comments. And this can only mean they are getting paid, they are biased, they've got some relationship with Mitsubishi to silence these people down, to deny the problem, and to keep Mitsubishi in a positive light. They just want to talk about positive things, you know? Any problem will be totally denied. Actually, any problem, if it's battery or app related, will be totally denied, and they're trying to silence everyone. Any other problem is fine, but these two topics are not allowed for some reason in these forums. It's such a big thing that you can only wonder why they are doing this. Why they are not standing together with these people who have a problem and trying to get this fixed. Even if they don't want to help, shut the fuck. Let other people talk about what they want to talk about. We are not going into your comments either and saying this is all bullshit what you're telling us. This is all crap. Yeah, anyway, you can only scratch your head and ask yourself how much money they are getting from Mitsubishi to disturb these forums and try to silence these whole problems. Because as soon as they start commenting and saying, oh, there's nothing wrong with the car, Mitsubishi has proven that, other people who may have the same problem and read the first comment, they start questioning themselves and say, oh, maybe there is nothing wrong. Because there's someone writing, there's nothing wrong. But guys, we know exactly there is something wrong. There is something terrible wrong with these cars, especially with the 2019 model. And I personally think it is the absolute opposite. It's only a minority of people who are denying this problem. All other people, they are experience this problem. They are either measuring with the PHEV Watchdog, or they experience loss of EV range, loss of energy charge, loss of capacity in their cars already, even without measuring. And they say, oh, there is something wrong, but I don't know what it is. And only these few shit stirrers in these forums, guys, really. Yeah, well guys, this is my morning rant. Makes me so angry, really. Let people discuss whatever they want to discuss. If you are not in this topic, shut the fuck up. Let other people talk about it. Don't comment any bullshit in there if people need help, really. Unless, of course, you're getting paid by Mitsubishi to do that. God. Well, these wet roads, they are not helping me keeping the car clean here. Really. I can see myself again on Friday night in the dark and standing there and washing the car again. Oh. Just finished my lunch break and it starts raining again. It's good I washed the car yesterday. It was a good plan. And again we've got some Roadworks here, which is nice because I can drive slowly, 65 only, and save on energy. Because I have an appointment after work right now. I'm on my way and I'm sure I can make it in full electric to Finland and then back home. I'm on 66% still. Yeah, I drove very nicely this morning. Even I had this rant. Very efficient driving, Andy. Nicely done.
Powered mega charger. Solar powered mega charger, right? So he writes, I think blue.
So I've arrived with 49% state of charge here. Half the battery only used to go from home to work and back to Finland here, and then I have still 50% left to go back home. Well, in theory, because we got the 30% buffer, of course. But 13 kilometers, no problem at all. How good is that car, huh? Okay guys, so we made it, of course. 41% left state of charge, 8 kilometers on the GOM, no problem at all. I can't find this. I can't find this comment anymore. Well, someone commented on my videos and said, oh, look, this guy again, here he goes again, ranting about Mitsubishi, ranting about the vehicle, ranting about the battery degradation. Just get on with your life, buy a new vehicle and buy whatever you like. And I said, no, I won't. I like this one. I like this one. Yeah, guys, there won't be a new vehicle soon. I'm not done with Mitsubishi. I'm not done with this vehicle here. We've come so far. It would be a shame to now give up and buy something else. Unless I win the lotto tonight, I probably go for a Tesla then. But at the moment, I'll stick with the PHEV. It is a great car. It just needs to have this little tiny bit fixed. And then it's all good. And then they will sell millions of them. Really. Okay guys, so far this update, it wasn't even an update. I still need to show you what's in the suitcase. Okay, we do this very soon, I'll promise. Okay guys, no worries. So shut this whole thing down until tomorrow morning again. Okay guys, we see us in the next video. Stay charged. And this is Andy from Unplugged TV Australia signing off. See you then. Bye bye.